Hi there! In this video, I will be sharing different methods on how you can use your prepaid Mastercard gift card. To begin, ensure you have your prepaid Mastercard gift card readily available. You will require both the card number and any additional details that may be present on the card. To make the most out of your gift card, you can either use it for online shopping or add it to your phone by buying things in store that accept Mastercard. First, by using it for online shopping. Make sure that the online store accepts Mastercard gift cards. Visit your favorite online store, choose to pay with a card during checkout, type in your gift card details, such as the number, expiration date, and security code, and finish the purchase. And your gift card balance will cover the cost. Next is to add your prepaid master gift card to a mobile wallet. Open your mobile wallet app, follow the instruction to add a new card, and enter the gift card information. Finally, you can use it for in-store purchases by either presenting the physical gift card or using your mobile wallet. Simply unlock your phone and hold it near the card reader or swipe or insert the physical card as needed. Quick tip, consider keeping a record of your gift card balance and expiration date for a hassle-free transactions. That's it. Enjoy using your prepaid Mastercard gift card.